Here I have Xiaomi Mi Max 3 and let me show you how to reset browsing history on the following device. So at the very beginning you have to open the browser that you are using. In my case it's Chrome, so just open it. Now tap on more icon, it's in upper corner, and then select history. And now you can simply by tapping on the cross icon delete some particular site from this history. So as you can see, just by tapping you can delete one site, but you can also delete all browsing data, so you can clear it all just by tapping on clear browsing data. And now by tapping on it you can erase all data that have been browsed. So you can select basic browsing data clean, so it will delete browsing history, cookies and site data, and also cache images and files, or advanced one. So as you can see, there's way more options. So it's browsing history, cookies and site data, saved passwords, autofill form data, site settings, and also you can select media licenses if you want to. You can also personalize it. So for example, if you want like to have your passwords deleted, so you can unclick it, and once you select the preferable options, select the time on which period you would like to delete your data. So it can be since always, so all time, or from last 4 weeks, last 7 days, or last 24 hours, or obviously the shortest period of time, which is last hour. Let me pick all time and then tap on clear data. Confirm it by tapping on clear. I've got it, thanks for notification, and that's it. Now as you can see, there is no history here. You can start building it from the scratch. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.